news. Breaking inputs here coming in. Union Home Minister Amit Shah in a road show in Midnapur in West Bengal right now. Well, these are the images here of his road show that is coming in from Midnapur here. You can see how people are thronging the area as his truck or his Paribartan Rath there that moves across here in Midnapur. Well, the BJP, of course, has had many such road shows here, which has been their essential design during this election campaign. They're calling this the Paribartan Rath, on which their leaders have been conducting this road show here with the message that the BJP has defined and highlighted in their manifesto here as well, that this is an election battle which is going to be fought on development and other guarantees here that have been given by the BJP in these upcoming polls here in West Bengal. It has also been one of the most closely watched election campaign out of all the states that are going to polls this season here. Amit Shah earlier, in fact, had also released the manifesto. This was a couple of days back here. In sending out a strong message to the people of Bengal of what the BJP is going to be fighting for in these elections. No longer just about an outsider versus insiders debate here, but more along the lines of what the BJP says is Ashol Paribartan, real development. My colleague, our correspondent Ranadeep, is getting us further inputs here. Ranadeep, this is once again another heavily attended roadshow of the BJP.
Is right now holding a rally in Mednipur. That is the stronghold of the Adhikari brothers. Remember, Suvendu Adhikari, his brother, his cousin Dipendu Adhikari, as well as father Shishir Adhikari, who was a TMC MP and who recently jumped ship to BJP, has a stronghold in that area, and Amit Shah right now holding a rally. This Mednipur will go to polls on the first phase on Saturday and is going to see a very high-profile clash in terms of BJP versus TMC because of the stronghold of the Adhikari brothers. And now Amit Shah, holding no stones unturned to woo the voters of Manipur right now in this mega rally that he's conducting.
Right, Ranadeep, as you also mentioned, the presence of the Suvendu Adhikari and his family here, and which is further being highlighted by the BJP in these elections, in which has been a massive drain from the TMC towards the BJP here.
Well, correct. It's not only the Adhikari brothers, but there were multiple defections from TMC to BJP. But obviously, the most important defections that have taken place are the Adhikari brothers, because right to begin with, it was Suvendu Adhikari who jumped ship to the BJP. And a few months later, it was his brother Dipendu who also was unhappy with the TMC group. And then he also joined ship to the BJP. But very recently, there was this one member of parliament, Loket Chatterjee from the BJP, who had met Shishir Adhikari, who is a very influential leader in Mednipur area, who met Loket Chatterjee, the BJP MP, and then a week or two later, Shishir Adhikari also joined the BJP, and this will once again play a very key role in the Mednipur area where Amit Shah is right now addressing and holding a rally.
Yes, we're in fact, of course, going to be taking a listen to a few statements that Amit Shah would be making here on this as well. But this drain from the TMC towards the BJP, Ranadeep, as we were talking about here, has also caused certain unrest within the BJP workers here, the TMC workers parachuting in and getting their tickets for these elections. We'll have to leave it at that, Ranadeep. Thank you for those details.